You've heard the whispers. 1 million subscribers, $1 million. It's a tantalizing equation, a shortcut to internet fame and fortune. But is it really that simple? The idea of reaching that magical subscriber count and instantly being set for life is incredibly appealing. It paints a picture of effortless success and endless wealth. But let's take a closer look. Is it really that straightforward? Reach 1 million subscribers and you're guaranteed a 7-figure income? Not so fast. The truth is, the relationship between subscriber count and income is far more nuanced than that. It's not just about the numbers, it's about engagement, content quality, and audience loyalty. While 1 million subscribers might seem like a golden ticket to riches, it's not a guaranteed path to a 7-figure income. Many factors come into play, including ad revenue, sponsorship deals, and merchandise sales. The reality is a blend of hard work, smart strategies, and a sprinkle of luck. Successful YouTubers often spend countless hours planning, filming, and editing their content. They analyze trends, engage with their audience, and continuously adapt to the ever-changing platform. So before you quit your day job and chase the elusive million-subscriber dream, let's demystify the world of YouTube earnings. We'll explore the factors that truly contribute to a successful and profitable channel, from understanding the algorithm to building a loyal community. It's a journey that requires dedication, creativity, and a deep understanding of the platform's intricacies. Hitting that 1 million subscriber milestone is a remarkable achievement. It signifies a dedicated fan base, consistent content creation, and a strong brand presence. However, it's important to remember that subscriber count is just one piece of the puzzle. Think of it like this: subscribers are like potential customers walking into a store. They might be interested in what you offer, but they won't necessarily buy anything. Converting those subscribers into engaged viewers and ultimately, revenue generators, requires a deeper understanding of YouTube's ecosystem. It's not about chasing vanity metrics, it's about building a community, delivering value, and leveraging your platform effectively to unlock the true earning potential of your channel. The million-dollar question, pun intended, is, how much do YouTubers with 1 million subscribers actually make? The answer, unfortunately, isn't a simple one. There's no magic formula or fixed rate card. Earnings vary wildly depending on a multitude of factors, including niche, engagement, content type, audience demographics, and monetization strategies. A gaming channel with 1 million subscribers might generate significantly different revenue compared to a beauty channel with the same following. To understand the true earning potential of a YouTube channel, we need to delve into the various revenue streams available and how creators leverage them to their advantage. When it comes to monetizing a YouTube channel, ads are often the first thing that comes to mind. While ad revenue can be a significant source of income, it's not the only game in town. Successful YouTubers diversify their income streams, tapping into a range of options like sponsorships, affiliate marketing, merchandise sales, and even fan funding platforms like Patreon. Each avenue offers its own set of advantages and challenges, requiring creators to be strategic and adaptable in their approach. By exploring these diverse revenue streams and tailoring them to their specific niche and audience, creators can maximize their earning potential and build a more sustainable business model. Section 5, From Views to Dollars, Decoding the Algorithm. In this section, we will delve deep into the mechanics of how YouTube transforms views into revenue and the pivotal role the algorithm plays in this process. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the YouTube algorithm. This complex system is often misunderstood, yet it holds the key to a creator's success on the platform. This mysterious entity determines which videos get seen, by whom, and how often. It's like an invisible hand guiding the visibility of content, influencing what trends and what fades into obscurity. It's the gatekeeper of visibility, and ultimately, revenue. For creators, understanding this gatekeeper is crucial. The algorithm decides the fate of videos, making it essential to decode its preferences and tendencies. While the algorithm's inner workings are shrouded in secrecy, we do know that factors like watch time, audience retention, click-through rate, and engagement play a crucial role in determining a video's success. These metrics are the lifeblood of the algorithm. Creators must pay close attention to these metrics. Watch time, for instance, indicates how long viewers are staying engaged with the content. Audience retention shows whether viewers are watching videos to the end or dropping off midway. Understanding how to work with the algorithm, rather than against it, is essential for creators looking to maximize their reach and monetization potential. This means not just creating content, but creating the right kind of content that aligns with what the algorithm favors. This involves creating high-quality, engaging content that resonates with their target audience. High production values, compelling storytelling, and consistent posting schedules can all contribute to better performance. Optimizing their videos for search is another critical aspect. This includes using relevant keywords, crafting attention-grabbing titles, and writing detailed descriptions that help the algorithm understand the content. And promoting their channel across different platforms can significantly boost visibility. Sharing videos on social media, engaging with viewers in the comments, and collaborating with other creators can all help in building a loyal audience and driving more traffic to their channel. Section 6. Success Stories, Inspiration, or Smoke and Mirrors. It's easy to get caught up in the hype surrounding successful YouTubers. The glitz and glamour of their lives can be incredibly enticing. We see the lavish lifestyles, the brand deals, and the millions of views, and we aspire to achieve the same level of success. The allure of fame and fortune can be powerful, drawing many into the world of content creation. However, it's important to remember that these success stories are just a snapshot of a much larger journey. What we often don't see are the countless hours of effort, the late nights, and the sacrifices made along the way. Behind every viral video and million-dollar sponsorship deal lies countless hours of hard work, dedication, and strategic planning. The road to success is rarely a straight path. It involves trial and error, learning from failures, and constantly evolving. While these stories can serve as inspiration, it's crucial to approach them with a healthy dose of realism. Understand that success doesn't happen overnight. It requires persistence, resilience, and a willingness to adapt. Focus on building your own unique brand, creating valuable content, and engaging authentically with your audience. Set realistic goals and celebrate small victories along the way. Engage with your community, listen to their feedback, and continuously strive to improve. Authenticity and genuine connection with your audience can set you apart in a crowded space. Remember, every successful YouTuber started somewhere. They faced challenges, learned from their mistakes, and grew over time. Your journey will be unique, and that's what makes it special. So take inspiration from the success stories, but don't be disheartened by the challenges. Embrace the journey, stay true to yourself, and keep pushing forward. Your hard work and dedication will pay off in the end. Section 7. The real equation: more than just numbers. The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer to the question of how much YouTubers with 1 million subscribers make. It's a complex equation with numerous variables, and success is not guaranteed by subscriber count alone. Instead of chasing vanity metrics, focus on building a strong foundation for your channel. Create high-quality content, engage with your audience, diversify your income streams, and adapt to the ever-changing landscape of the platform. Remember, YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, persistence, and a genuine passion for creating content that resonates with your audience. Section 8. Your YouTube journey, fact-checking and exploration. So the next time you come across a clickbait headline promising $1 million payday for reaching 1 million subscribers, take it with a grain of salt. The reality is far more nuanced and requires a deeper understanding of the platform's mechanics. I encourage you to continue exploring the world of YouTube monetization. Research different strategies, learn from successful creators, and experiment with what works best for you and your audience. Let me know in the comments what you think about YouTube earnings, and if this breakdown has been helpful. Share your thoughts, questions, and experiences. Let's continue the conversation.